Hey, what's up? I'm Amanda Tachi, and Channel 5 Severe Weather News starts right now. We are continuing our coverage on one of the most devastating blizzards in all of history. Snow may seem like a fun time, and a few days out of school is always good, but it can actually be very dangerous if there's enough of it. Now here's Riley with a story on the blizzard that's heading towards the eastern United States.
Thanks, Amanda. Here the blizzard is passing through, leaving lots of people shut into their homes and a lot more people walking to their jobs because of all the snow. Others can't even walk in it. Sorry, economy. Here we have a citizen whose roof just caved into her home. What do you have to say about this?
Well, before I answer you, I just want to give a shout out to my homegirl Yezi and my mama for giving me this chance to chat. Thank you so much. Mama, I love you.
Can you just get to it?
I love
So, what happened to you?
Oh yeah, my house has snow all up in it because Mother Nature wants to be all big and bad. Now it's cold in my house. I can't even get in my bedroom. It's so cold I don't want to leave my couch and hot chocolate. You know, you gotta get all warm up in there somehow. Okay, so anyway, I probably shouldn't have left my phone in there. This blizzard is making it impossible to drive. Ain't nobody got time for that.
So, can you tell us a little bit more about this blizzard?
I know that when it snows, my sink faucets can clog up. So now I have to keep all my water running. My water bill gonna be high. I know that. And that it is going to take forever to clean all that snow up because it kind of sunk in my house, and you know it's all over my furniture, and it's just gonna be complicated.
She's right. And did you take any sort of safety precautions before this terrible blizzard?
Yeah. I stocked up on some easy to make food, and I had to grab a radio so I know what's going on. And then I had to get 5 gallons of water for me, my husband, and my 3 children.
So, a gallon for each of you?
Yes, and I have some in the fridge so it could last for a while.
I see. And do you know how blizzards are formed?
Blizzards are formed by 3 things: cold air, which is needed to make snow; moisture, which is needed to form precipitation; warm rising air needed to form clouds in the sky. Blizzards get their energy from 2 air masses, I think, of different temperature and moisture levels meeting. When a cold, dry air mass moves south and meets with a warm, moist air mass, blizzards are formed. Cold air, moisture, lift, BAM!
That was pretty specific.
Yeah.
What kind of damages can blizzards cause?
During a blizzard, there can be freezing rain, which causes bad driving conditions, obviously. Combination of snow and wind, blizzards can cause fatalities, injuries, and hospitalization of people. Ice is a hazard during a blizzard, and snow can cause damage to appendages when frostbite occurs.
Do you think it's important that we study the weather?
Duh, of course. People like me need to know when there is a snowstorm coming. We might actually have time to prepare if those daggone scientists could predict these things just a little sooner. All this yelling is stress. Does my hair look okay?
It's fine, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
You got my good side, right? You got the good side.
Along with what she said, the NOAA says that you should winterize your car. So that means that you need to make sure that no snow can get in.
Hold on, Riley. It seems our meteorologist has some important news to tell us. Take it away, Chris.
Thank you, Amanda. Now, it seems the blizzard has found its way to the lower part of the Great Lakes, and it is hitting harder with the coldest and snowiest records since 1983. The devastating blizzard began as an Arctic stream jet streak, which is the windiest part of jet stream. It surged south while a cold Arctic front went through the north. A subtropical jet streak, which means that it is slightly above the tropical zone, was formed over Arizona. The streaks were set apart by high pressure, combined with low pressure, deepening as it moved from Texas to Georgia. As meanwhile, the Arctic front went east into the eastern Great Lakes. Joke time! Now, I need you in the audience to answer this. How do snowmen see in a blizzard? They have great eyesight. Oh! Bam.
Wow, thanks, Chris. Now we go to Emily for our quiz of the day.
Well, I'm in Florida asking real people about their knowledge on blizzards. So, what is a blizzard? Actually, a blizzard is a severe snowstorm with high winds and low visibility. I'm just gonna lean back now. Next question. When do blizzards form?
I don't know. It's like in the winter or something. Well, T2L, gotta go.
Anyway, blizzards can form at any time under the right conditions, but they usually occur during the winter. Blizzards can hit any time, anywhere.
Oh yeah, I get it. Hit any time under the right conditions too. Take that, blizzards.
Can someone call an ambulance?
Well, we are produced in association with the Channel 5 News.
The end. You better pay attention.